Hello guys, welcome to Technical Trainings. Myself Vignesh Shinde, Technical Trainer and Freelancer. So today's video is basically based on the topic as you see on the tab also. Okay, the basic difference between AI versus ML versus deep learning versus data science. Okay, so I've written AI versus ML versus DP versus DS. Okay guys, so we all know that these are the very trending topics right now in the current world technology. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, they are playing a very wide role. Okay, so we'll have a session. We'll discuss a basic difference. What exactly means AI, ML, DP, and DS. Okay, so guys, talking about the first technology, that is AI. So guys, artificial intelligence is nothing but a technology that is the output that were seen like self-driving car. Okay, it which can run on the models, run on the technology, run on the code that is produced by ML and DP. Okay, so ML and DP are the two technologies that runs the application, that is AI. So one thing is clear over here guys, AI is nothing but the application, okay, the output of the technology. Okay, so I've written over here output, for example Google Assistants, autonomous car, Amazon. So now if you search for some product, like I search for the mobile, okay, some mobile on the Amazon. So after some times on the next day or the third day, Amazon automatically recommend me some mobile related to that technology. Yes or no? You'll get a recommendation in ad or something like that. So that is nothing but the artificial intelligence, that the Amazon is learning the data that you are serving, means that you are suffering, okay, on Amazon. What you are searching on Google, what you are searching on Amazon, that basically nothing but machine learning. Okay, and that machine learning is now applying on the ad as a artificial intelligence output. Okay, so that is nothing but the artificial intelligence output. Okay, so if you got that thing, what is AI basically. Okay, we'll discuss more on that. Let me go to the machine learning part. Okay, so now all of you know that what is this artificial intelligence. Okay, what is artificial intelligence is nothing but the application, but how exactly this application is creating, why, means how to get that application. We are working on machine learning, deep learning to create the application. Okay, but what and how we can create that. So basically machine learning is the one of the trending and the very current topic that every engineer must know. Every engineer is doing courses on machine learning, deep learning. Okay, to become a huge scientist named as data scientist. Okay, scientist nothing but a data scientist, nothing but the scientists that have a total knowledge of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning versus DS. So where that is a basically a uh, work of a data scientist. Okay, machine learning consists of three type guys: supervised, fast data. Okay, one second, I'll just remove this. Okay, machine learning basically has a three type: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcements. So basically what exactly means supervised guys. Now you know what exactly means machine learning. The term itself said machine learning means we are providing the machine to have the ability to learn the data. Okay, to ability to learn the data. So how is possible, how that is possible? Okay, so there are three types. We will discuss one by one what exactly is supervised, what exactly is unsupervised, and what exactly means reinforcement. Okay, so coming to the topic supervise. Supervise guys, so for example I can give you, suppose I have a two column data. Okay, in the first column the parameters are age, okay, like age 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, like that. Okay, and in the second column I have the height of a height of the people that depends on the age. Okay, now for 12-year student or 12-year person will have a height like, for example, you can say 3 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, something like that. Okay, random data I'm taking. So now let me explain that if I have the data set of 12, okay, if I have the data set of 12, so automatically my age will vary according to the time. Okay, and depending on my age, my height will also get increased. So here my height is depend on my age. Okay, so this type of data basically provided to the machine. Okay, and machine then try to run the data again and again, learn the data again and again. Okay, then after getting some data aggregation, learning, processing, after that when you ask the machine to predict some data for the particular age, for example 27, then my machine will give the output on the basis of the past data. Past data means nothing but the data that we learn recently, means that I provided recently, that the two columns. Okay, so basically in supervised learning, the machine will predict the data and based on the past data. You getting? Okay, so moving to the next topic is unsupervised learning, guys. Unsupervised learning means, basically unsupervised means is nothing but there is no something like a past data. Okay, so basically we have to train the model or train the machine on the some parameters like clustering. Okay, clustering is nothing but separating, guys, separating. For example, you can say a Google Gmail account. Your Gmail account consists of message, emails and all that thing, but we also have a spam folder or spam link. Okay, if you click on spam, there are the unwanted mails over there. Okay, so that classification is done nothing by using the unsupervised. Okay, using the unsupervised. So basically unsupervised has some classification models, okay, like K-means clustering, KNN clustering, okay, and many more models. So that models are used to basically what classify the data. Okay, and that can be done using machine learning itself, guys. So Gmail is also using machine learning in email accounts of everyone. Okay, now coming to the third part, reinforcement, guys. What exactly reinforcement means? Okay, so reinforcement, okay, is basically also called as a semi-supervised learning data. Okay, it's also called as a semi-supervised learning data. So basically reinforcement is the technique or is the models that we train basically to get the data. Okay, to get the data of some past data, and it will take some time to learn that data. Means small amount of past data will be provided to them, small amount of past data will provided to them. That past data will machine recognize slowly. Okay, it will not, it will take some time. It is not like a supervised machine learning, it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time to learn the model reinforcement. Okay, and afterwards it will get predicted. Okay, so it will take some time, but with a very less amount of past data. So reinforcement is another type of machine learning. Okay, so basically machine learning has three types, and these three types are very play a crucial role to develop the models. Okay, and that models we are going to use in to develop the artificial intelligence application. Okay, we're doing the artificial intelligence application. So now after getting this machine learning, let's move to the topic deep learning, guys. Okay, so it is very great topic, deep learning technology. Okay, now why deep learning is needed? Okay, okay, why deep learning is needed? So as I told you, machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. Okay, machine learning is nothing but a subset of artificial intelligence. So that means I will show one image for you, it will be clear your doubt. Okay, yeah, now this is my artificial intelligence, guys. This is my artificial intelligence. My artificial intelligence has machine learning inside it over here. And inside machine learning, there is deep learning, guys. You can see over here. Inside machine learning, there is deep learning. What exactly it means? Okay, what exactly it means? Machine learning contains deep learning, and why the deep learning is created? Okay, why it's generated? So, guys, scientists mainly work on machine learning. That machine learning is the model that we train the data by past data and all on the data sets. Okay, so deep learning is a technology to behave machine like a human, guys. How we think with our brain, our neurons technology, our neurons thinking, passing the signals, that technique is nothing but comes under deep learning, guys. Okay, so in deep learning, basically what we can see, deep learning deep learning has a multi-neural network. Okay, it's basically works on multi-neural network. Now what exactly neural network is? Neural network is nothing but a neurons, connection of neurons, okay, that basically present in our brain. So that technology is applied over deep learning, guys. Okay, so deep learning is nothing but the neurons technology or neural multiple neural network. So there are three types of network, guys: ANN, CNN, RNN. What exactly ANN means? Artificial neural network. CNN, convolution neural network. RNN, recurrent neural network. Okay, so ANN, what exactly ANN? ANN means artificial neural network. If my data is regarding some numbers, okay, it's fractional numbers or something like numbers in point tables and all that thing. So that data will be done by artificial neural network. Okay, that suppose there is a Excel Excel sheet. Okay, I want to read that Excel sheet and I want to create a neural network from that. So that is going to provide to ANN. Okay, that will going to provide to ANN. And so basically in ANN the data related to numbers. Okay, so what exactly CNN, guys? CNN is convolution neural network. The network is used for images. Okay, images means if you want to detect, I will take an example. You want to detect a face of from cat or dog. Okay, so that comes under image, right? We have to detect the image. So that data, that technique is nothing but known as convolution neural network technique. Okay, in convolution neural network, we basically deals with images. Okay, so that is one of the technology comes under deep learning. Now guys, I'm discussing about ANN CNN, that is also known as models. Okay, these are nothing but the models. These are nothing but the models. Okay, and also this thing, guys, these are nothing also model. But as I discussed, machine learning basically works on some particular data, but deep learning will go on the situation like how we think, how we memorize, how we do the reality things, like seeing something new, getting ideas. Like suppose I went to some airport for the first time. Okay, so I will see some new thing like aeroplanes, the flight attendants and all that, and the new environment. So how I learn, basically that thing is done in deep learning, guys. Hope you understand what I'm explaining, guys. RNN. Okay, let's move to the topic RNN. RNN, guys, what exactly RNN is? Nothing but recurrent neural network. Okay, so recurrent neural network, basically what exactly it will do? Generally related to the uh, alphabets, or you can say some string type data. Okay, for example, I want to have a website survey that the website contains some negativity or positivity, something like that. Okay, suppose there is one news in the newspaper. I want to detect that how well the newspaper is positive news or negative news, something like that. So recurrent basically tends to natural, means like a language. You have to do the modeling on languages, on the sentence, paragraph, words, something like that. Okay, So this is basically recurrent neural network. Okay, then also we have one new technique, or the trending very useful technique basically used by data scientists. It's transfer learning. Transfer learning is nothing, is come under NLP, means like natural language processing. Okay, so NLP is nothing but the, you can say, the these two things basically meet each others. Okay, NLP is nothing but having the discussion on how to get tokenization, then stemming and all that thing come under this. Okay, then you can say bag of words, and you can say like word to vec. Okay, TF-IDF, all this technology come under NLP. We will discuss later on this. Okay, just have a basic difference, what exactly deep learning, what exactly machine learning. Okay, so, as I discussed AI, ML, and deep learning, what about data science, guys? Where exactly data science lies? Okay, so you can have a posture over here. You can see my data science is nothing but covering artificial intelligence. Then you can say machine learning. Then you can say deep learning. Okay, and the whole data. My basically data science is nothing but applying the technology using some tools. Okay, using some tools like mathematical tools like algebraic. Okay, you can say linear algebra, you can say like fractionization. Okay, trigonometric some algorithms. Okay, we have to apply over here on artificial intelligence, on deep learning, and on machine learning. Okay, so all this thing will create the merging of AI, ML, and deep learning. That is nothing but the work of a data scientist. Data scientists must know the knowledge of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, guys. Okay, if you want to become a data scientist, you must know what exactly is artificial intelligence, ML, and DP. Okay, guys. So I hope you got the basic difference. Okay, so data science, I told you, like training the data of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, statistic tools, mathematical tools, linear algebra. Okay, so that is nothing but the machine learning. Okay, so artificial intelligence, engineering of making intelligent machines and programs. Okay, okay, this is a particular image that I want to show you. Okay, machine learning, ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Okay, and I have discussed this ability to learn the models. Okay, and here comes the learning, deep neural network, guys. There I show that how brain neural network, it is present in ourselves, like that only in the machine the neural network will be there. So that neural network will be done in using ANN, CNN, and RN. To for more details, we'll have the session on that afterwards. Okay, so guys, this was the basic discussion with you, what exactly means artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, and data science. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, okay, please like,